Today we're making this ridiculously delicious and unbelievably easy one-pot meal. That's right, we love those. So good! So we're making a creamy rustic chicken with asparagus and artichokes. So good and so easy! You can find the full recipe on our Poppy's Cucina page on Facebook, or wait till the end of the video, it's gonna be right there. Mangia! Mmm. Alrighty, so let's get started. So here I have my 4 chicken breasts. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut each of them in half. Just like this. I mean, you could buy the thin sliced ones, but honestly, they cost so much more. Save yourself a buck or two per pound. Alright, so now we're going to cut the rest. And then we're going to dredge them lightly in flour. Nice and easy so far, right? Super easy. Yeah. Then over to the stove we go. Right in my large saute pan, I've been heating up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And once the olive oil is hot, we're going to add our dredged chicken breasts. Unless you have a giant saute pan, you may need to do this in batches. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of the breast. If it's a really thick breast, you may need to do 8 minutes on each side, just till about they're almost cooked. Right? So, we'll see all this back in about 18 minutes or so. Just like that. Then in that same saute pan, I lowered the heat to medium. I added 1 small onion that I diced up. It's about 1.25 cups, if that, along with 4 cloves of minced garlic. So now we're going to saute this lightly, again, over medium heat because you don't want to burn your garlic, for a couple minutes, just until the onions start becoming translucent. Nice and fragrant. Just like that. And then you're going to add 1 pound of asparagus that I trimmed and cut into 2-inch pieces. In addition to 1.5 cups of marinated artichoke hearts that I just gave a rough chop to. I drained the jar. You can use regular artichoke hearts if you want. Just give them a rough chop. You'll see. Some I missed a little bit. And then to that, we are going to add the juice of half a lemon. Or about 1.5 tablespoons. Alright, so we're going to let this saute. We're going to turn up the heat a little bit to medium-high. We're just going to saute this until the asparagus becomes a nice bright green. So like 3 minutes. Look at that already. Doesn't that look delicious? Sure does. And then to this, you're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken broth, along with 1 cup of heavy cream. And so you're going to give this a good stir and bring it up to a simmer. Should happen pretty quick. Nice. And once you have your simmer, you're going to add 1/2 cup of Parmigiano. Use the real stuff, folks. Don't buy that stuff in the green can. You don't know what's in there. All right, so we're going to stir it in. Make sure we don't have any clumps. Like that. I wish you could smell this. You're going to add your salt and pepper. And then your chicken back inside. Just like that. All right. This looks so good. So now we're going to allow this to simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Make sure the chicken's done. That's the most important thing. But also you want the sauce to reduce. And it's going to get a little thick. You want that. That's nice. So make sure you just turn the chicken over every so often. Just get that right in there. Doesn't that look delicious? And don't forget to add the juices that may have been left behind. Oh, so good. It's so easy. Love that. So this has been simmering for about 20 minutes. Look how beautiful this sauce is. You could definitely let it simmer longer if you want the sauce a little bit thicker, but right now it's perfect. Perfect. But like I said, if you want a thicker sauce, let it go for another half hour if you want. But keep an eye on it. You don't want it to burn. But let's plate this up and give it a try. Buon appetito. You taste everything. The artichokes, the asparagus, The chicken just melts in your mouth. So creamy. The Parmigiano. It is so good and so easy. Who doesn't love a nice one-pot meal? And ready in about an hour and a half, you can't beat that. Especially these days where we're all busy. So if you try this recipe, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
What? I wasn't doing anything. Don't judge me. Don't. Love you guys.